Hi everyone, welcome to 4.5. We are working on example 1. Without further ado, we'll go ahead and get started. So our first step is to rewrite our equation. What we're going to do for that, sorry, I'm going to zoom a little bit, is we're going to rewrite our first fraction like normal. So 1 over x plus 4. And then we're going to set it equal, and we want to turn this into a fraction as well. So remember, to do that, we're going to keep the 2 on top, and then we're just going to add a 1 to the bottom. 2 divided by 1 is the same thing as 2. So we're just going to go ahead and rewrite it. From there, my next step is to cross multiply. So that means I'm going to multiply 1 times 1, and I'm going to do 2 times x plus 4. So here we'll have 1 times 1, and then 2 times x plus 4. From there, I need to solve for x. So the first thing I'm going to do is just simplify a little bit. 1 times 1 gives me 1. With my 2 up front, we're going to go ahead and distribute. So 2 times x gives me 2x, and 2 times 4 gives me 8. So now I have to get x all by itself and solve. I'm going to do that over here. So we have 1 equals 2x plus 8. I'm going to go ahead and move my 8 to the other side, so I'll subtract 8 from both sides. When we do that, we get 1 minus 8 is negative 7 equals 2x. Our 8's canceled. And then we're going to divide both sides by 2 to get rid of that 2. And when I do that, we get x equals negative 3.5. Again, you can go ahead and type in negative 7 divided by 2 to find that decimal. So my final answer would be x equals negative 3.5. Again, just turn your second thing into a fraction, cross multiply, and solve for x. Thank you for watching. As always, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask your teacher.